Fully documented and fully restored, this real-deal Chevelle Supersport is one incredible muscle car. The drop-top roof optimizes sunny afternoons, and its numbers-matching drivetrain is tame enough to cruise the highway, yet strong enough to own the stoplight. A clean cruiser that was subjected to an extensive body-off restoration, the Chevelle utilizes many NOS components to roll much nicer than when it left the factory. That rebuild began with a fully stripped body, progressed to new GM fenders, and added acid-dipped doors and an acid-dipped hood. With that metalwork complete, correct Le Mans Blue 2-stage was capped with a new top and decorated in familiar Supersport stripes. And naturally, correct Supersport ornamentation complements details like polished mirrors and authentic T3 headlights. Under that power top, you'll find a correct parchment cockpit that's clean, crisp, and awesome. The seats blend seamlessly with pliable side panels and fade-free carpet. In front of those seats, deluxe gauges hang next to a correct push-button radio. A factory console frames a chrome horseshoe shifter in stainless trim, and the driver takes control with a Supersport steering wheel. Fully rebuilt and detailed, the 325-horse, 396 cubic inch L35 under the hood is original to the car. It sends power to the matching numbers TH400 automatic back to a 12-bolt rear with 331 gears. If you're looking for an authentic big block Chevelle Supersport that's been restored to better than factory condition, this Chevy is the classic of your dreams. A retractable top and extensive documentation merely double down on the car's value and potential. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.